Students, today we will start our chapter 2, which is all about your what? Potential. You see, this is a very interesting chapter. We should discuss about potential, what is potential energy, how to do, what is work done, what is the potential at a point, what is the potential difference between 2 points. So all of these are we discussed. Now before going to the chapter, let us see first what is potential and potential energy. Now see, potential. Potential is nothing but we can say a characteristic of a location. That is depend upon लोकेशन. अच्छा, इसके लिए हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी टेक सम आउटसाइड एग्जाम्पल्स सो दैट यू कैन इजीली अंडरस्टूड दिस. दैट मीन्स लेट अस सी, सपोज you want to open a stationery shop. So your aim is to open a stationery shop. That means you can so you should next, what is the next thing? You should choose a location. Where will you going to open that stationery shop? Now see, you are getting two locations. You are getting two locations. So one is at near the school. Another one is you are getting what? Near bus stand. Like you see, you tell me where will we want to open the stationery shop? Near the school or near the bus stand? So obviously in the bus stand there are several people are coming from outside, several people are coming from the outside. So your stationery shop is profitable inside the bus stand, but in the school it is also profitable, but you know that school is run for only 7 to 8 hours, but here you can sell for how much? 12 hours. So you can say potential of this place, that is potential of this place is more, but here potential is what? Less. So that means you choose to open a stationery shop where? Near the bus stand. So this is your potential. So it is depends upon a location. It depends upon a location. So how can we write the potential now? So we can write down the potential at, that is potential is characteristic of a location. So potential is the characteristic of a location. It is depend upon location. So that means now what is potential energy? So potential is nothing but what? If we can say it is the characteristic of a charged particle placed at that location. So that means जिस लोकेशन में आपको पोटेंशियल मिला था, उस पोटेंशियल और उस लोकेशन में अगर आप एक चार्ज पार्टिकल को रखेंगे तो हो जाएगा क्या, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. दैट मीन्स पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज नथिंग बट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ चार्ज पार्टिकल placed at that location. Now see, these are the difference between what, potential and potential energy. Now if you move to the next, suppose there are 2 points. Let us take, there are 2 points. This is point A, this is point B. Let us take the electric field intensity is equal to E. So that means we want to move a charge Q. That means क्या हुआ, we want to move a charge Q from point B to point A. That means we want to move charge Q from point B to A. Now see, when you want to move a charge from B to A, let us see what are the factors affected this or affecting this. That means अगर हम एक चार्ज को B से A तक लाएंगे, अच्छा, इज देयर एनी अपोजिंग फोर्स, हमको कुछ फोर्स अपोज करेंगे क्या? यस, देयर इज ए अपोजिंग फोर्स. तो अपोजिंग फोर्स इज ड्यू टू व्हाट? Opposing force is due to electric field. Understand my point? अच्छा, आपको पता है अगर आप चार्ज पार्टिकल एक जगह पर रख रहे हो तो उसके ऊपर एक फोर्स आएगा. दैट फोर्स इज नोन एज व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स, एंड इट इज डिफाइंड एज व्हाट? Q into E. You know that very well. That is, you discuss in our chapter 1. You understand my point or not? So now, so there is a opposing force due to electric field. Now what is that opposing force? F is equal to Q into E. That means electric field E is the electric field intensity, Q is the charge particle which is placed at point B. So you know that again. So first we are facing an opposing force. Now second, do you think that is there any work done? Yes, there is a work done. Why? Because there is a force and also there is a displacement. So displacement from B to A. So there is a force, F is equal to Q into E. So we can say there is a force into displacement is a work done. So when there is a force and displacement, so we can say there is also a work done. So first factor we are getting opposing force, second factor we are getting what? Work done. Now slowly we are calculating these two forces again. Now again we come to the same picture, that is point A and this one is your point B. Now you are putting a force, you are putting a charge Q at point B. Now let us see what are the force are there. Now see, one force is due to electric field. Now you can say this is due to electric field. Now we are putting a force opposite to this electric fields. This is, you can say, applied force. So this is the force due to electric field and this is the applied force. Now what is the force due to electric field? You know that this will be how much? Q into E. Now what should be my applied force? It should be equal to how much? At least equal to QE. So you can write down QE, F is equal to, this one is also Q into E. We write down here FA, we write down here FE. That means force due to electric field, force due to or applied force. Now you see, both the force having same magnitude. This is equal to QE, this is also equal to QE, but they are opposite in nature. So you can write down both the forces are opposite in nature. But magnitude is what? Magnitude is same. So magnitude same, both the forces are opposite in nature. Now our next part is how to calculate the work done. So we can write down work done for moving a charge from B to A. You can write down how much? WBA, that is work done from moving a charge from B to A. WBA is equal to, acha, so we are doing a positive work done or negative work done? We are doing a negative work done. Why? Because we are work against the electric field. That means आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन कहाँ है? आपका ये है आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन, बट वी आर वर्किंग व्हाट इन द नेगेटिव direction, so it is opposite in nature. So we can put a minus here. Integration from B to A, F into dr. तो आप अभी कंफ्यूज होंगे, सर ये इंटीग्रेशन क्यों लगा दिया, ये B to A क्यों लगा दिया, ये dr कहाँ से आ गया? Now let us discuss this in details. So we write down W work done from moving a charge from B to A is equal to minus integration B to A F E into dr. That means let us see, this is the point A, this is the point B. हम क्या करेंगे, इसका वर्क डन टोटल में नहीं निकाल पाएंगे, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक छोटा छोटा पार्ट कर देंगे इसको dr, और एक छोटा पार्ट ले लेंगे ये dr, इसका और एक छोटा पार्ट कर देंगे dr. ऐसे करके ये A टू B में छोटा छोटा डिस्टेंस हम लेंगे, जिसका डिस्टेंस कितना है, जिसका वैल्यू है dr. तो इस पॉइंट में हम क्या करेंगे, फोर्स कैलकुलेट में वर्क डन कैलकुलेट करेंगे, दैट इज F इंटू dr. इस पॉइंट में भी क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे, F इंटू dr. इस पॉइंट में भी क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे, F इंटू dr. तो ये सारे dr को कैलकुलेट करने के बाद सारे को क्या कर देंगे, dr 8, दैट इज F dr प्लस F dr प्लस F dr अप टू हाउ मच, फ्रॉम B टू A. सो इसको हम क्या करेंगे, इस प्रोसेस को मैथमेटिक्स में क्या करते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन लेते हैं, दैट इज इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम पाथ कहां से कहां तक, B टू A, नेगेटिव वर्क डन, सो फोर्स इज इक्वल टू FE, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फोर्स इनटू dr, that is work done from B to A. Now you understood why you write down this equation, that is WBA is equal to minus integration B to A FE into dr. Understood? So we know that FE is equal to how much, Q into E. So we can write down this is equal to minus integration B to A, F is equal to how much, Q into E into dr. Okay, understood? Very simple. So when a charge particle at B, when a charge particle is placed at B, so this is point A, this is point B. So now you tell me, when you put a charge particle here at B, is this charge particle हम सब potential energy, इसका कुछ potential energy होगा या नहीं होगा? वेरी गुड, इसका पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये तो चार्ज पार्टिकल यहाँ बी में उड़ के नहीं आया है ना, तो इसको क्या करेंगे हम, तो दैट मीन्स इसको हम लेके आए हैं, तो अगर हम इसको चार्ज को कहीं और जगह से इस जगह पर लेके आएंगे, दैट मीन्स इट विल स्टोर सम एनर्जी, स्टोर सम एनर्जी. Understood not? And that energy is known as what? Potential energy, because this charge is at rest. अच्छा, आपको पता होगा ये क्लास 11 में हमने पढ़े थे पोटेंशियल एनर्जी किसको बोलते हैं। सब पर आपको एक बॉल है, ये ग्राउंड है, इस बॉल को आपने ऊपर उठा लिया, यहाँ पर इस बॉल को आपने ऊपर उठा लिया, ये डिस्टेंस में ऊपर उठा लिया, तो बताओ इसका एनर्जी होगा। यस, दिस बॉल इज हैविंग सम एनर्जी and that energy is known as what? Potential energy. So when the charge is at point B, it stores some potential energy because we are take the charge from any other places to the point B. That's why it is having some energy. Let us take that energy is equal to UB. We can consider charge at B. So we are consider this energy is equal to how much? UB. तो उसके बाद क्या होगा? We are moving this charge from B to A. हमने क्या किया? इस चार्ज को ऐसे ऐसे मूव करके कहां पर ले आए? A में ले आए। कितना फोर्स डाल के? F is equal to minus QE. मैं माइनस क्यों लगा रहा हूं? क्योंकि दिस इज द opposing force in opposite direction of the electric field force. Understood my point or not? So अगर यहां पर इस जगह आ गया, अच्छा इस जगह पर जो चार्ज ये Q आ गया, अब चार्ज Q कहां पर आ गया? पॉइंट A में आ गया। अब बताओ इस पॉइंट A में इस चार्ज का एनर्जी होगा? हाँ होगा। अच्छा, इज दैट एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू UB? नो, दैट एनर्जी इज नॉट इक्वल टू UB. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस एनर्जी इज चेंज. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर मूविंग फ्रॉम B to A. चार्ज कुछ डिस्प्लेसमेंट किया, कहां से कहां तक? B to A तक. सो इसका पोटेंशियल एनर्जी भी चेंज हो जाएगा. लेट अस टेक दैट पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हाउ मच? UA. So you can write down here UB is the potential energy at B, and UA is the potential energy at A. Both are capitalized. Now if you make potential difference, or if you want to find out potential difference, then you can write down what? Then you can write down, how can you find out potential difference? Final potential minus initial potential. That is, this is equal to how much? Final potential is equal to UA minus final potential is equal to the initial potential is equal to UB. And you know that the potential difference or potential energy difference, or let us say no, we cannot say that this potential. Let us take this energy difference. Sorry, we can say this energy difference is equal to final energy minus initial energy, that is UA minus UB. So this energy difference UA minus UB is nothing but what? You know that potential energy difference is also known as what? Work done. जितना हमने काम किया उतना पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हमारा लॉस हुआ, और वही पोटेंशियल एनर्जी गेन किसको हुआ? चार्ज को हुआ. हमने चार्ज को B से A में ले गए, तो हम जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे वो एनर्जी कौन गेन किया? चार्ज गेन किया. कहां से लिया? हमसे लिया. You understand my point? So this is known as what? Work done. So now you can write down UA minus UB, that is your work done. If you divided Q, this is equal to work done, that is WBA by Q is equal to, you put that equation here, this equation, that is equal to minus integration B to A QE by Q into dr. This is equal to minus integration B to A. So QQ cancel, this becomes how much? E into dr. Now write down this. So energy difference that is UA minus UB by Q is equal to WBA by Q is equal to minus integration from B to A is equal to how much? E into dr. This is known as what? This is known as your potential difference between 2 points. So that means you can write down here the difference of energy per unit charge is known as potential difference. तो आपका पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस क्या हुआ? एनर्जी का डिफरेंस पर डिफरेंस ऑफ एनर्जी पर यूनिट चार्ज इज नोन एज पोटेंशियल difference. That means we can write down this as a VA minus VB, which is equal to final potential minus initial potential. That is, if you write down here VA minus VB is equal to UA minus UB by Q, which is equal to WBA by Q, which is equal to how much? Integration P to A E into dr. This is the equation of what? Potential difference. You understood? So how can we define a potential difference? That is energy difference by Q, or the difference of energy per unit charge is known as potential difference. So UA minus UB by Q, which is equal to WBA by Q, which is the potential difference between 2 points. Understood? Okay. Now let us discuss. So this is the potential difference. This is tell potential difference. Why? Because we want to find out the difference from point B to point A. That's why it is known as potential difference. Now if you want to find out the potential at a point, so then we can how can you find out this? Now very simple, we can move a point to what? इन्फानाइट. हम एक पॉइंट को क्या करेंगे? इन्फानाइट में ले जाएंगे. लेट point B is at infinite. We know that electric field at infinite is equal to how much? 0. अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन्फानाइट में 0 हुआ तो पोटेंशियल क्या होगा? अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 हो गया तो पोटेंशियल भी क्या हो जाएगा? पोटेंशियल एट इन्फानाइट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 0. अंडरस्टैंड माय पॉइंट? Okay, so now this over. Next class we will discuss about potential at a point. So हमने कैसे पोटेंशियल को निकालेंगे एट पॉइंट में? एक पॉइंट को हम क्या कर लेंगे? इन्फानाइट में शिफ्ट कर देंगे और वही इन्फानाइट से एक चार्ज को लाएंगे कहां पर? वही पॉइंट पर जिस पॉइंट का पोटेंशियल निकालना है. इसी तरह से हम पोटेंशियल एट ए पॉइंट निकालेंगे. थैंक यू. See you in the next class.